Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to buy Dogecoin on Binance. Alright, so first up, we have this option right here, buy crypto at the top left. So just click on it, wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and select your currency from here, maybe USD. And again, once done, enter the amount of USD that you would like to convert as a Dogecoin. So receive what? Click on drop down, type in Doge, okay? And just click on Dogecoin. Now, for 100 USD or US dollars, you'll receive this amount of Doge, okay? So if you're happy with it, just basically select your payment method right here and just click on buy Doge. And in no time, you'll receive your Doge right here under your wallet or profile, okay? Now, another option, let's go back to the Binance dashboard. And in here, we have the convert section. You'll find this as well at the top under trade, convert and block trade. So just click on it. Now, let's say, for example, you already have a different crypto. Let's say I have here USDT. I'm going to click on max. Okay. Here I have the amount of USDT I have in my wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and convert it to, okay, or buy Dogecoin by using my USDT. So I'm going to select DOGE right here, Doge. Now, again, I'm going to click on max and I will receive this amount of Dogecoin. So just click on preview, hit on convert right here, and in no time, you'll receive it under your wallet as well, or your holdings section. That's basically it. That is how you buy Dogecoin on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.